So hello guys, for today's video pupunta pala ako sa mall nila dito. Magpapatingin ako ng mata. Try ko ring bisitahin yung isang bata na malapit sa puso ko doon. So tara, samahan niyo ako guys. Guys, ayan yung mall nila dito. So, dyan tayo pupunta. So, naglalakad na ako guys papunta sa mall. So, first punta ako sa optical clinic nila inside. Papacheck ko lang yung mata ko. Kung bakit ko papacheck kasi yung mata ko medyo nasisilaw na agad kapag tanghaling tapat. Kailangan mag shades. So titingnan ko lang kung ano ng kalagayan ng mata. Yeah. So guys, hindi ako magpapa-check up dun kasi sobrang mahal. It's 400. Before nasa 130 lang siya. So pupunta ako sa isang shop. Check ko kung mas mura. So guys, naglalakad yung engineer nyo. So yung another shop maybe 50 meters away from the mall. So tingnan ko kung saan ako makakatipid. So spend your money wisely guys. If you can get the same result and you can save money, then go for that. So guys, dyan, let me check how much.
Type of sense that not hit is there, so that's the reason most of the patients they are struggling here when they come. So photochromatic is the best option.
Photochromatic glasses.
Lenses, it means.
So guys, tapos na siya. Sabi okay naman yung vision ko. Pero sabi nung doctor, meron daw akong parang photophobia. Na kung saan yung daw eyes hindi siya nakakapag-react instantly sa sunlight. There's no problem with the vision. Pero he's suggesting na bumili ng photochromatic lenses. Yung bang salamin na nag-a-adjust sa sunlight. Ayun. Kasi daw yung shades hindi siya makakatulong masyado. So, ayun lang. So guys, siya yung tinutukoy ko. Si Fatima. How are you? Nangadep? You're fine? You're marek? I'm finding her. She's here. So I will... Guys, nakapag-film na kami nung Valentine's Day. Isa siya sa kids na nabigyan ko ng candies. So, bibilhan ko siya ng candy tsaka biscuit ngayon. You know guys, minsan kapag kumakain kami dito, kinukuha ko siya. Sinasama ko siyang kumain. Huh? You want ice cream? You want ice cream? And candy? Okay, we will buy. So let's go. We will ask your mother's permission.
He said you don't like ice cream that much. You like chips, you know?
Chips?
Yeah. Computer, you know.
I think we will go there express and I will let her choose.
Ako juice do.
Choose, not juice. Choose. She will choose what she likes.
Yeah, he choose. Ako tajibe. Ninga tajibe. I love tamen na. Yeah.
So we will just go there express and I will will come back here, ah?
No problem.
Okay, let's go. So the mother permitted me.
You want
Let's
to take
go.
picture with you? Can I take picture?
Eh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm making a
You
video.
make a video.
Can I make a video of this?
Ako pa sa video.
But not your face, only the...
Ako ito video.
You see what her mother is doing. This one. So we will go inside the mall. Ma, what do you want? Na? What do you want? Tell me. Chicken? It's spicy. You want chicken? Tima wants this. Nice. Yay! Chicken! Chicken? Looking at the chicken, no? Yay! We have chicken! Yay! Chicken! Chicken! Palang parang restaurant na to. Parang Jollibee sa atin. Ito yung pinakamasarap na chicken na natikman ko dito. So kumbaga, dito sa Africa, ito yung Jollibee nila. It's mayonnaise na? Na? See that stuff? Uy! Uy! No light! Ay! Ay! Let's go! No? Ayaw niya pang umuwi. Ay, ay, ay. Kunti na lang, ah. So guys, pauwi na kami, ah. Hatid ko na siya sa mama niya. Umagabi na rin kasi eh. Oh. Let's go, Fatima! Yay! Name? Sarjo. What is your name? What is your name? Buba. Ay ba yun na? May I buy you lollipop? Yeah. They are selling mint, guys. Oh. But we are not using mint na. Okay, bye-bye. Let's go, let's go. Guys, ganito pala yung pakiramdam ng may maliit na bata, ah. Wait a moment. Pati mo is happy. How we will... I think it's like this. Oh! No? No. Yeah. She eats too much.
Yeah, he eat too much. This, oh, you don't know this guy, my doctor. He eat too much.
Guys, yung nanay niya nagtitinda ng mani, oh. So, araw-araw nandito sila nagtitinda. So last time inabutan ko sila dito.
Bila ako.
Bye bye. Give me a smile lah. Smile lah, smile. Ay, bye bye. So guys, pabalik na ako. Malapit nang magdilim. So, nakakataba ng puso. Mag-taxi lang ako tapos uwi na ako nito. Makakabol pa naman ako sa dinner. Don't forget you were amazing guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.